Hello everyone, welcome to BDS Calendar classes. This is Sanjay Verma, your chemistry teacher. Dear students, today in this video I am going to teach you about elimination reaction of haloalkanes. Okay, elimination reaction of haloalkane. Okay, dear students, as you know that elimination means to remove out. Okay, so when haloalkane with beta hydrogen is heated with alcoholic solution of potassium hydroxide, there is removal of beta hydrogen from beta carbon and halogen atom from alpha carbon takes place and there is alkene formed. This reaction is called as elimination reaction of haloalkane, or it is also called as beta elimination reaction. Okay, this is also called as beta elimination reaction due to removal of beta hydrogen from the beta carbon. See here, first of all I want to tell you that what is alpha and beta carbon. Okay, as you know that this is a haloalkane. Okay, if any carbon contains any kind of group, that carbon is called as alpha carbon. What? Alpha carbon. यदि किसी भी कार्बन के पास कोई ग्रुप हो तो वह कार्बन अल्फा कार्बन कहलाता है, और उस कार्बन से अटैच्ड हाइड्रोजन्स आर कॉल्ड एज अल्फा हाइड्रोजन. ओके, एंड द कार्बन व्हिच इज डायरेक्टली अटैच्ड टू द अल्फा कार्बन कॉल्ड एज बीटा कार्बन. वह कार्बन जो अल्फा कार्बन से डायरेक्टली अटैच्ड होते हैं बीटा कार्बन कहलाते हैं. ओके, and the hydrogens attached to the beta carbon called as beta hydrogen. So this and this hydrogen is a beta hydrogen. Okay, so I already told you that the haloalkane that have beta hydrogen is heated with alcoholic potassium hydroxide and there is removal of beta hydrogen from beta carbon and halogen atom from alpha carbon and form alkene. Okay, this is alkene called as propene, and this hydrogen along with this hydroxide ion formed H2O, and this potassium ion with halide ion formed potassium halide. Okay, so you can simply form alkene with the help of elimination reaction of haloalkane on reacting alcoholic potassium hydroxide. Okay, dear students, there was a scientist of Russian name is Sergeyev. According to him, alkene which have more alkyl group around double bonded carbon will be majorly formed. एक रशियन केमिस्ट जिनका नाम सर्जेफ है, उनके अनुसार ऐसे एल्कीन जिनके पास एल्किल समूह की संख्या अधिक होती है, दे मेजरली फॉर्म, वो अधिक मात्रा में बनते हैं. ओके, दिस इज कॉल्ड एज सर्जेफ रूल. सी हियर, suppose that we have two bromo butane, two bromo pentane, sorry, this is a 2 bromo pentane and this is a halo alkane and this is a alpha carbon, this is a beta carbon because it attached to the alpha carbon and this is also beta carbon because it also attaches this alpha carbon. Okay, and react with alcoholic KOH. Okay, alcoholic KOH. Dear students, you know that if this beta hydrogen removed with this bromine, it form along with KBr and water molecule. Okay, here is 2 beta carbon and along with beta hydrogen, so there is possibility of formation of 2 alkene. Okay, if this hydrogen removed along with this bromine, they form pent 1-ene, pent 1-ene. Okay, next, in this case, if this beta hydrogen removed along with this bromine, it form pent 2-ene molecule along with KBr and water molecule. Okay, so according to Sergeyev, this molecule has only one alkyl group, while this molecule has two alkyl group along with double bonded carbon. And you know that the alkene that have more number of alkyl group are majorly formed. So the percentage of pentene is 81% and pentoene is only 19%, because it has only one alkyl group around double bonded carbon. Okay, I hope that all of you understood about elimination reaction of haloalkane and Sergeyev rule. In my next video, I will teach you nucleophilic substitution reaction of haloalkane. Thank you.